The 5 best apps for saving money in USA. Tired of feeling like your money disappears too fast? Saving money doesn't have to be complicated. With the right apps, you can budget better, invest smarter, and even automate your savings without thinking about it. Today, we're counting down the 5 best apps for saving money in the USA. Stick around to see which one could help you grow your bank account effortlessly. 5. Digit, the automatic saver. Kicking off our list is Digit, the app that saves money for you without you even noticing. Here's how it works. Digit analyzes your spending habits and automatically transfers small, safe amounts to a savings account. You won't even feel it happening, but over time you'll be surprised at how much you've saved. If you struggle with saving consistently, Digit is like a personal assistant for your finances. 4. Acorns, the spare change investor. Next up is Acorns, the app that turns your spare change into investments. Every time you buy something with your debit or credit card, Acorns rounds up the purchase and invests the difference into a diversified portfolio. For example, if you spend $3.5 on coffee, Acorns will take that extra $0.5 and put it to work for you. It's an effortless way to start investing and saving at the same time. 3. YNAB, the budgeting powerhouse. If you're serious about taking control of your money, you need a budget. YNAB is the app for you. Unlike other budgeting apps, YNAB helps you plan where every dollar goes before you spend it. It forces you to be intentional about your money, helping you save for what actually matters, whether it's a dream vacation, an emergency fund, or paying off debt. If budgeting has never worked for you before, YNAB might change the game too. Rakuten, the cashback king. Why spend money without getting something back? Rakuten makes sure you earn cashback on everyday purchases. Shop at major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target, and Rakuten gives you cash back straight into your PayPal or bank account. It's like getting paid for shopping, so if you love a good deal, Rakuten is a no-brainer. 1. Honey, the instant coupon find. And at number 1, we have Honey, the app that finds you the best discounts automatically. When you're shopping online, Honey scans the web for coupon codes and applies them at checkout, so you never overpay again. It even has a cashback feature, meaning you save even more on top of the discounts. If you want instant savings with zero effort, Honey is the ultimate money-saving app. So which of these apps are you gonna try? Do you already use one of these, or do you have a favorite we didn't mention? Drop a comment below. And if this video helped you, give it a like, because saving money is always a good idea.